Hippocrates, in 460 to 370 BC, was a Greek philosopher. He is considered the father of Western medicine. Hippocrates believed that illness and disease were caused by an imbalance among the four vital humors within us. The humors were liquid-like substances. The idea was, if a person had either too much or too little of one of these four humors, then the result would be illness or disease. The four vital humors, according to Hippocrates, was yellow bile, black bile, phlegm, and blood. Hippocrates also authored many of the oldest known medical books and is said to have written the Hippocratic Oath. The Hippocratic Oath, also known as the Physician's Oath, is the oath that each physician takes before becoming a medical practitioner. It is an oath to uphold ethical standards, to refrain from judgment or bias, and to do no harm. Thank you for watching.